Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing your HDR clips and the monitoring LUT so everything matches. Create a wide gamut HDR project and explicitly set the color space to Rec. 2020 PQ. This preserves metadata. Once done, enable the viewer's HDR/SDR toggle to preview both ranges. Make sure your external reference monitor or scoping is connected and set to the same color profile, because mismatched monitoring is the most common source of confusion early on. You now perform correction in HDR-specific tools. Switch color wheels or color board to HDR mode and balance exposure with the midtone pivot for skin tones. Use the waveform scope to control luminance peaks and the vector scope to set saturation limits. This explains why highlights can clip otherwise. Once balanced, add a custom LUT as the final creative step so it doesn't push luminance out of range. Make sure to nudge highlight roll-off with HDR white clip controls to retain detail. You finish by exporting with native HDR settings. Choose HEVC or ProRes with Rec. 2020 PQ and set the mastering luminance target correctly. Once exported, test on an HDR-capable display to confirm results. If midtones look crushed, reduce global gain or add a gentle lift using HDR gain rather than boosting saturation. This prevents clipping. If colors shift, verify the project color space and the external monitor LUT mapping, because most errors come from mismatch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.